Yeah, hi everyone. I hope your studies are going good. In this video, I would be discussing about the art of revision for UPSC IS exam. I would be telling you how toppers approach revision and how they integrate revision with note making. And I have personally used this method of revision and it was very beneficial for me and it would be very easy also अगर आप इसको अच्छे से समझ जाते हो तो ठीक है। तो इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। मेनी एस्पायरेंट डू अ लॉट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स इन रिवीजन, but if you will watch this video you will not be repeating any of the mistakes and you would be doing the perfect revision which is required for UPSC IS exam. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहली मिस्टेक क्या होती है? द फर्स्ट मिस्टेक विच एस्पायरेंट डू इज प्रिपेयरिंग डिटेल्ड नोट्स इन द वेरी फर्स्ट रीडिंग. You might have seen that people start making notes during their first reading itself. But in the first reading, you must understand that your mind will retain only 40 to 45% of the content. तो आपको लगेगा आप 50 to 55% फॉरगेट कर रहे हो एंड यू विल क्रिएट नोट्स फॉर दैट. बट वो नोट्स नहीं होगा, वो एक दूसरी बुक प्रिपेयर हो जाएगी. समझ रहे हो आप? तो नोट्स अगर आप इस टाइम पे प्रिपेयर करते हो, इट इज़ लाइक राइटिंग ऑन द वाटर. इट विल फेड बिफोर यू यूज इट. क्यों? क्योंकि अधिकतर लोग इतने बल्कि नोट्स को यूज भी नहीं कर पाते. So there is a reason why it is said that you should do multiple revision and then prepare your notes, and those notes would be very crisp and you will be able to revise them before the exam. But ये सब कैसे करना है? It becomes quite complicated, and to solve that problem this video is there. So now what we will be doing? We will be doing 4 rounds of revision. And I will be telling you how each round would evolve using scientific understanding of the mind and retention capacity of the mind. So in the first round, what happens is that your mind will just focus on understanding of the concept. And no matter how hard you try, you will not be able to remember more than 40 to 45% of the content in the first round. तो आपको करना क्या है? आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करनी ऑफ द कंसेप्ट्स. यू नीड टू गेट फेमिलियरिटी विद द सिलेबस. What you need to avoid during first round? Preparing notes, because your mind is still figuring out things which are important. Instead of making notes, you should focus on going through PYQs, as PYQs will give you idea things which are important and PYQs will help you in studying in the targeted way. Also what you can do, you can mark small star or underline concepts, facts which you think that they are important based on your understanding of PYQs. Clear? After doing first round, we would, and what people do, they start the round one of suppose polity, then they start economy, and simultaneously they keep on reading polity. But it is not sustainable, because if after economy you are starting environment, then can you continue polity and economy together? No. So what one should do, one should finish the first round of all the subjects, at least all the important subjects. After doing the first round of all the important subjects, after having 40 to 50% understanding of all the subjects, you should start your second round. In the second round, what we are doing, we are building our base. In the second round, your mind will retain 55 to 60% of the content. Okay, and at this moment your conceptual clarity will improve, your memory will strengthen, you will start understanding concepts of polity, parliament, monetary policy, and you will start noticing certain patterns. कुछ टॉपिक आपको इजी लगने लगेंगे और अभी कुछ टॉपिक ऐसे होंगे जो आपको कंफ्यूज करेंगे. तो इस मोमेंट पे अब आपका क्लासिफिकेशन, डिफरेंशिएशन इन द माइंड हैज स्टार्टेड. यू विल स्टार्ट आइडेंटिफाइंग सर्टेन टॉपिक्स एज इजी एंड अदर टॉपिक्स एज कंफ्यूजिंग. इस टाइम पे आपको क्या करना है? यहां पर भी आपको डिटेल्ड नोट्स नहीं बनाने हैं. बस आप मार्क कर दो थिंग्स विच यू आर फॉरगेटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके, जस्ट अंडरलाइन, मार्क सर्कल्स ऑन थिंग्स विच यू find that they are confusing for you, so that you can focus more on them in the third round. अब थर्ड राउंड में क्या होगा? थर्ड राउंड में आप क्लोज टू मास्टरी आ जाओगे. You will have 75 to 80% of the content of that subject which is required for the UPSC exam. You would have a good understanding of PYQs also. At this time your mind will clearly start discriminating between core and peripheral content. core content जो PYQs का है वो आपको पता चल चुका होगा यार, ये these topics are repeatedly being asked in the PYQs, and other content which is not that important. At this moment you can create certain flowcharts, you can highlight certain things, you can create tables. Okay, although I would be providing you crisp notes for mind maps also for certain topics, but you can also create tables, flowcharts for your understanding. But still we will not be preparing full notes. Okay, बिकॉज अभी अगर फुल नोट्स बनाएंगे तो 20 to 25% कंटेंट के बनाने होंगे एंड दे वुड नॉट बी क्रिस्प इन नेचर. सो आफ्टर डूइंग द थर्ड राउंड, now in the fourth round we would be preparing crisp notes of all the subjects. At this moment you would have retained the 85 to 90% of the content. इस टाइम पे आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है वो 10 to 15% कंटेंट जो आप हर राउंड में भूल रहे थे. अब कौन से होते हैं वो? इन जनरल देज आर ट्रिकी फैक्ट्स, schemes, numbers, dates, locations, committee names. These are the things people forget again and again. So we would be preparing pocket notes, crisp notes, final revision notes of just 1-2 pages per subject containing these things. And this is the way toppers prepare crisp notes. They don't prepare crisp notes after round 1. It happens after 4th round. Okay. अब एक और चीज़ है कि क्यों आपको फर्स्ट राउंड में नोट्स नहीं बनाने चाहिए. देखो इसके पीछे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें. फर्स्टली यू डोंट नो विच थिंग्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, तो आप नोट्स बना कैसे सकते हो? यू डोंट हैव अ कंप्लीट क्लियरिटी फॉर नाउ. ठीक है. और अगर आप नोट्स बनाओगे देन यू विल एंड अप री राइटिंग द बुक, जो कि एंड में आप रिवाइज कर ही नहीं सकते. तो व्हाट इट हैपन्स बाय प्रिपेयरिंग नोट्स इन द फर्स्ट राउंड, यू एंड अप वेस्टिंग योर टाइम एज वेल एज यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर क्रिस्प नोट्स लेटर ऑन. दोबारा से उन नोट्स को रिविजिट करना होता है, रिवर्क करना होता है. So that wastes a lot of time and it is very difficult also to prepare notes in the first round. क्योंकि अभी आपको सब कुछ ही नया लग रहा है, आपको everything you will have to note it down. इसीलिए आपको थर्ड राउंड या उसके बाद में नोट्स बनाने चाहिए, प्रेफरेबली ड्यूरिंग द फोर्थ राउंड, क्योंकि उस टाइम तक चीज़ें आपके लिए आसान हो जाती है और देर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स विच यू आर फॉरगेटिंग अगेन. बस उन्हीं के आपको क्विक क्रिस्प नोट्स बनाने रहते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ ओवरऑल इसको अगर सम अप करें तो राउंड 1 को आपको लेना है with the mindset that you just need to understand the concepts. You need not to make any notes, just focus on understanding and try to retain 40 to 45% of the content. In the second round, try to increase it by 55 to 60% and it will happen automatically. You don't have to worry about it. And just mark tricky points which you think that they are tricky for you, they are difficult for you. In the third round, it will reach to 75 to 80%. At this time, clearly highlight things which you are in which you are persistently weak, but still we will not be making detailed notes. And then in the final round, you will have 85 to 90% of the content in your mind. You just need to prepare crisp notes for 10 to 15% of forgetting topics. Okay, which you are forgetting again and again. Final tips: if you want to crack UPSC exam, strategic revision is important. Not just revision. It should be strategic, backed by scientific understanding of the mind. ठीक है. And your mind remembers things through repetition. आप कितने भी ब्यूटीफुल नोट्स बना लो, बट इफ यू आर नॉट रिवाइजिंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिमेंबर इट. सो रेदर देन मेकिंग नोट्स, रिपीटिशन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड यू जस्ट नीड टू एंड हम नोट्स नहीं बनाएंगे, वी विल बी प्रिपेयरिंग स्मार्ट नोट्स. ओके, वी विल बी फॉलोइंग स्मार्ट नोट मेकिंग. और उसमें क्या करेंगे? वी वुड बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम थिंग्स विच वी आर फॉरगेटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. सो दिस वॉज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ 4 राउंड. इट इज नॉट अ लग्जरी इन यूपीएससी एग्जाम. Okay, it is a necessity. All toppers follow it, and if you will follow this method, UPSC exam would be very easy for you. Note making would be very easy for you, and clearing this exam would also be very easy for you. If you still have any doubts regarding note making, revision, you can comment down. I will be trying to address them there. I would also try to prepare another video like this. And keep on studying, keep working hard, study in the right direction. All the best for your UPSC journey.